Okay, let's understand how most chartered accountant firms manage client master data today. Whenever a new client comes in, the client usually sends multiple documents. These can come through email or shared folders. Documents like MOA, AOA, GST registration, PAN, and the company details. Now the CA office downloads all these documents to their system. After that, the real manual work begins. Someone from the team has to open each document one by one. They search inside the documents to find important details like client name, PAN number, GSTIN, contact details, and company information. Once they find the information, they manually enter all this data into an Excel sheet to maintain the client master database. But this is only the beginning. The team also needs to capture company structure details like incorporation data and registered address, and sometimes even director information, such as DIN number and director PAN. Now imagine doing this for dozens or even hundreds of clients. Because of this workload, many CA firms actually hire employees specifically for data entry work. Their job is main to read documents and update Excel sheets all day. But the real challenge appears later. Suppose the firm decides to add a new field in the client master sheet. For example, Aadhaar number or another compliance field. Now the staff has to search for that client again, open the documents again, and manually fill the new column. This process becomes very repetitive and time consuming. Sometimes there are duplicate entries. Sometimes important fields remain missing. And over time, the Excel sheet becomes messy and difficult to maintain. So the big question is, do chartered accountant firms really need to manage client data like this manually? This is the AI client master data extraction workflow we built. It connects to the client document folders, reads all the files automatically, extracts important details like PAN, GSTIN, CIN, and director information, and directly updates the client master spreadsheet without any manual data entry. First, let's open Google Drive. Here I have already created a folder called Client Master Data. This is where most CA firms usually organize and store documents for different clients. Inside this folder, each client has their own dedicated folder. For example, here I've created a client folder called Nivritti Rams Labs Research Chapter. Now, inside this client folder, we can simply upload the company documents. These can include things like the company registration certificate, incorporation documents, PAN details, GST registration, and other company records. Once these documents are uploaded, the automation workflow can automatically read these files and extract the required client information. Now the data has been added to the spreadsheet, but let's quickly check the drive to confirm whether files we uploaded were actually processed by the workflow. Now you can see the Aadhaar number is missing for this client. So let's upload the Aadhaar document into the same client folder. Now the question is, will this create a new duplicate record or will the AI update the existing one? Let's check. As you can see, the workflow identified the existing client record and updated the missing field automatically. So this is a simple but very effective solution that can save a lot of time and operational cost for CA offices.